Hey guys, this is Vince
Hey, this is Sean
from OpenCV, and today we are talking about an app called Smile Smart that Sean designed. It's only on Google Play right now, right here, but it'll come out on other platforms later. Sean started designing this about
a week ago. Yeah,
he released it. When did you release it?
2 or 3. So the name of the app is Smile Smart, and as the name implies, it helps you smile more. Now, to use this app, it uses your camera and detects whether or not you are smiling, and this helps people smile more so that they get better mental health and mental wellness. The app helps you smile more, and even the act of smiling, even if it's not real, even if it's not genuine, it helps the mind and the body a lot. It helps raise your mental health, it can lift moods, and sometimes it can act as a mild pain reliever. This is because your body releases serotonin, dopamine, and other different chemicals in your body whenever you smile or try to smile. So, download this app, smile more, be happy. So this is the app Smile Smart. It's only available on the Google Play Store. So it uses your camera and uses an AI algorithm to detect whether or not you are smiling. When you smile, it gives a little bit of a smiling icon and then gives you a little pop-up telling you that you did good. Then there's the how to use section. It tells you what to do and what a smile does for you. You also have your statistics on how many times you smiled and whether or not you made your goal. Lastly, you can change your settings. Usually the settings is defaulted at 5 smiles per day, and you can change it anywhere between 1 to 10 smiles per day. Okay, this algorithm was made by me. It's not very professional, so it's a little bit janky, but it still works, and it also works with glasses.
Thank you guys for watching. You guys should check this out on Google Play and smile more.
Smile more. What the text?
What the text?